Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a simple and friendly dialogue in English that's perfect for beginners. Imagine you're in your favorite coffee shop. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air. Are you ready? Let's listen in. Barista: Hi, what would you like today? Customer: Hi, can I have a small coffee, please? Barista: Sure, do you want milk or sugar? Customer: Just milk, please. Barista: Anything else? Customer: Maybe a muffin. Barista: Great. 1 coffee and 1 muffin. That's $5. Customer: Here you go. Barista: Thank you. Have a nice day. Customer: Thanks. You too. And there you have it, a typical coffee shop conversation. This simple exchange is an excellent way to practice your English. Remember the key questions and phrases used here. What would you like today? Can I have? And do you want? These are everyday expressions that help you smoothly navigate a cafe environment. The interaction between the barista and the customer is not just about placing an order. It's a friendly exchange that adds warmth to your daily routine. By practicing dialogues like this one, you'll gain confidence in speaking English. You'll be prepared for similar situations, whether at a cafe, restaurant, or any place where you're requesting and conversing. So, next time you're at a coffee shop, remember this dialogue and you'll know just what to say. Keep practicing and immersing yourself in English conversations. We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.